Don't go into 2021 without a decision to start selling with social media. This is obviously what you want to hear, even if I didn't have to state the reasons. Why am I asking you to do so before 2021 arrives? But first, have you thought about increasing the sales of your products in recent times with social media platforms? What is keeping you from taking advantage of this massive opportunity in your palm? The rate at which people are now moving towards the internet lately has increasingly become a necessity for every business owner to think in this direction too. So today, I want to give you a heads up about a few areas you must consider when starting out with selling using social media, especially in Nigerian local market. Basically, there are hundreds of social media applications online where people meet or on a per second basis. But for our country and the types of people who really are your target audiences, you must consider locating your business in just 4 social media platforms as you start out. Now, the first is Facebook. Facebook is one of the best and surest places to start with. Of course, the others that I am going to be talking about are fast movers with a lot of patronages that you must leverage on. But Facebook has so much to offer that these others can't actually compare with. So start by creating a Facebook page first. I've talked about this in the past few months. But if you still need a guide, kindly request to join Ask Team Abel platform, and you get admitted into the forum where I can provide answers. Now you can leave a comment here with a request to actually join the group as well. Let's rush through. The next is Instagram. Instagram, even though have extended the length of videos today, still right behind Facebook for the vast opportunities these applications can provide. But you should also use it because people prefer shorter videos when they want to watch. And guess what? Instagram is making a whole lot of people rich today by availing them real lifestyle values or real life values. The next is actually Twitter, and you can't afford to ignore this very special application. But most times, I tell people that it is an application to test your content creation skills. It will help you to redirect people to your shop or products on any other platform. But it is one area that reaches far and wide in the fastest ways. Probably that's why Donald Trump uses it. He uses shorter videos these days, but still stands behind Facebook and Instagram in terms of videos. Lastly is YouTube. YouTube channel. This channel is basically for videos, even though they are advancing further with written content types today. But it is your best bet to keep your video content while you share it with other forums. It has been monetized for a long time, just like Facebook, which is following its path today. And a lot of people are making huge amount of money from it. But to be able to eat from it, you must be able to create so much of visual content that can attract viewers. Having put forward these facts, you must know that your business is not performing optimally right now if it is not online yet. If you have a reason to go online and you have difficulties to do so, you can contact my team of experts at www.rocketsaleswithyou.com for more, and we can jointly help your cause. You can also call or WhatsApp us on 08027941987 for more details. Now, before I go, don't forget, you can grab a copy of my book, How to Start a Business Without Money, and you will be shown the path. Do have a brilliant day. Bye for now.